In this video, I will show you how you can combine multiple PDFs into one single PDF. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam. It's a very simple task. We are taking pages from multiple PDFs and combining it into one single file. By doing so, we could delete unused files and we can organize our files better. Also, if you need to send files to a client, it's better to send in one single file rather than sending multiple. Whatever the case might be, you are here for the tutorial. So let's begin. Now I will show you a couple of options and you can pick whatever suits you the best. First, let's see how you can merge multiple PDFs online. So there's a tool from Adobe. It makes a lot of products for photo and video editing. They also offer an online service that lets us merge PDFs. So this method works on all the devices like Windows and Mac. To do so, just search for the Adobe PDF merge on Google and you will see a link for the Adobe's website. Click on that and it will take you to this page. As you can see, we can drag and drop our files and it will merge it for us. So let's do that. You can either drag and drop your files or you can click here and select manually. So we have selected our files. Here we have our files. Let's rearrange them by dragging them up or down. And if you want to, you can add more files. You can click this icon. And if you want to remove a file, you can just click here. Once you are satisfied with the order, click merge. It will take a couple of seconds to do it. And we are done. Here we have our combined PDF. Nice and tidy. From here we can download our file. That was the first method. Now you might have some sensitive data, sensitive info that you don't want to upload to Adobe's website. Worry not, we can achieve the same results by downloading an application. But before that, it would be great if you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll take you through both Mac and Windows devices. First, let's talk about the Mac. On a Mac device, you don't need to download any application. There's one built right into the device and that is Preview app. It's a powerful tool that can do all sorts of things. So to combine multiple PDFs, just open the files in Preview. You can double click or you can right click and open with. So here are the three PDFs that I want to combine. First thing I'll do is I'll duplicate the first PDF. This is going to be our final document. So open the final PDF and the other two PDFs. Now on the second PDF, you might see pages on the left side. If not, you can go to View menu and select Thumbnail. Now you will see all the pages on the left side. Click the first page. Now hold down the Shift on your keyboard and select the last page. By doing so, all the pages will be selected. Now release the Shift key and move all the selected pages to the end of the final document. You will see that all of our second document's pages appear below. Now we need to repeat the same steps with our third document. Once we are happy with the arrangement, hit Command S and it will save the document and we are done. Now on a Windows device, you can download this app called PDFTK. I will leave the link down below. Once you have downloaded the app, open it. And again, this method is relatively easy. Just click on add PDFs. So as you can see, we have all our PDFs in the program now. We can rearrange the order by dragging it up or down. From here, we can also select which pages we want to include from the file. Like we can specify 1, 3, 7, or we can input a range like page 3 to 7. We can also duplicate a PDF file and we can then specify the other range of pages like 10 to 12. Now some features are exclusive to paid users like watermark, but we just want to combine our PDFs. So once you are happy with the arrangement, click Create PDF. A dialog box will open, select your destination and hit Save. And we are done. The document is ready and you can share it with anyone. Now all these things were basics and sometimes you need to do complex things like editing a text on a PDF without changing the fonts, adding images, recognizing text from an image, converting it to other formats and much more. For that, I would suggest you to try PDF Elements by Wondershare. It has all the things that I mentioned above and some more to organize your PDF life. It's free to download and you can try that out from the link in the description. And that's it for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.